Okay students, in our today's class we will continue from your page number 74 of your first chapter, that is large numbers. Okay, first chapter large numbers. In that, where we have stopped at international system. Okay, Indian system and international system both are completed. Now let us see which number is called with what name in Indian system, and in international system what is the number name. Okay, Indian system, international system. Okay, Indian system and international system. Let us see. Okay, here this 6-digit number, this is the smallest 6-digit number. It is called 1 lakh. Okay, in Indian system. And what it is called in international system? It is called 100,000. 100,000. This same number, this is a 6-digit number and this is also a 6-digit number. The representation, the commas will be changing and the number name will be changing. Apart from that, this one and this one, both are same numbers, both value is same, but the system of representation, this is Indian system, that is international system. In Indian system we call it as 1 lakh, whereas in international system we will call it as 100,000. Okay, so next one, this number is called 10 lakhs in Indian system. Okay, so this is ones period, thousands, this is lakhs. Okay, whereas here it is called what? So this is a 7-digit number, no? So what is it? What it is called here? It is called 1 million. Okay, so these two numbers are same. The representation with commas is changing and the system is changing, that's all. But the value of this number and this number is same, whereas the representation and number names are changing. It is called 10 lakhs here, it is called 1 million here. That is the difference. Next comes 1 crore. Okay, it is called what? 1 crore. This is ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, this is crores. Okay, so how we can write this in international system? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 digits are there, no? 3 3 and 2, because one digit is added to this, no? So what we call this one? This is hundreds, sorry, this is ones period, this is thousands period, this is millions period, no? So from here millions is starting, 1 million, this is 10 million. Okay, 10 million. Is it 10 million? Yes, 10 millions, sorry. Okay, so after this we will get 10 crores, no? So one more digit is added to this we call it as, so I am writing in number form, no? That is also correct only, but all we are writing in word number names, no? So you should not write all we are writing in number names only, no? In word form, so all should be in word form. Okay, this we call as 10 crores. This we call as 10 crores, whereas here, so one more zero is adding here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. What is this called? 100 million. Okay, is it 100 million? Yes, 100 millions or 100 million, both are same. So next, one more digit will be added to this one. Okay, in crores place only one more digit will be adding. Okay, all these will be same. From here, this period, this period, this period. Okay, lakhs, thousands, hundreds, ones, lakhs, thousands, ones. These are same, but what is changing? This one only is changing. This crores period is only changing. So this is a 10 digit number, no? 3, 5, and these are 5. Totally 10 digits. What is this called? This is called 100 crores. Okay, this is called 100 crores. Whereas, so 10, no? So 3 3 3 up to millions it is completed. One more digit is there, no? That is 1. This will come under billions. So 1 billion. Okay, so this 6 digit number, we will call this number as 1 lakh in Indian system, whereas we will call that as 100,000 in international system. Okay, this number we call this as 10 lakhs, but in Indian system, in international system, the representation is changing, so we will call it as 1 million. Okay, this number, this 8 digit number, we call this as 1 crore in Indian system. Obviously in international system the representation will be changed, the commas will be changing, no? So the number name is also changing. So 10 millions will call this the same number. Next, this number we call it as 10 crores in Indian system. As the representation of commas and the system is changing, no? So that's why we call it as 100 millions. So this number we call it as 100 crores, whereas in international system we call it as 1 billion. So these are the same numbers only, this number, that number. Okay, the corresponding numbers will be same, but the number name and the representation and the system, these are changing. Okay, you have to keep it in your mind. Okay, take the same number. If you know the how to represent in Indian system and international system, putting of commas is only very important. If you know how to put commas, obviously this total table will be in your mind. If I give any number, if I try to say represent it in Indian system and international system, putting of commas is only very important. If you know how to put commas, where to put, then this R will be very easy for you. Okay, so with this we have completed this table. Okay, so we have completed this tabular form. Okay, now let us move to the next topic. What is that? What is the next topic? So there is an example. Okay, so here is a statement. In this way we can go counting up to larger and larger numbers, all counting numbers along with 0. Okay, only listen carefully here what I am saying. This is a new term is introduced to you. What is that? What is that? Whole numbers. Okay, what are whole numbers? If you start counting from 0, 1 2 3 4 up to larger numbers up to infinity. Infinity means larger number. You don't know the end for numbers, no? The numbers will keep on counting. So till the larger numbers, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores, like that they will go on up to infinity. So if you start counting the numbers from 0, okay, those numbers are called whole numbers. If you start counting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, if you include 0 in your numbers, then those numbers, this set of numbers are called whole numbers from 0 to up to infinity. Okay, infinity means some largest number which you don't know. Okay, so whole numbers start from 0 and they will 1, 2, 3, they will go on up to some infinity. Infinity means this symbol. Okay, whereas natural numbers, start from 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3 up to larger numbers up to infinity. So whole numbers start from 0. They start from 0 and we go on up to infinity. Whereas natural numbers start from 1. Naturally, how we will count? 1, 2, 3 like that, or you will not include 0, no? Will you start from 0, 1, 2 like that? In your smaller classes, in your first standard, second standard, how you counted numbers? Starting from 1 only, no? So that is the natural way of counting numbers. So those are called natural numbers. Whereas whole numbers will include 0. Only the difference between these two numbers is 0. If you include 0, those numbers will become whole numbers. If you exclude 0, those numbers will become natural numbers. Okay, that is the statement. You have to remember what are whole numbers, what are natural numbers, definitely. Okay, so there is an example here. What is that example? Let us see. Okay, so he gave the question for the example. Write the number. Write the number 4736. This is a bigger number. 804109. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digit number. By inserting commas, so what I said, inserting commas, the representation with commas is only very important. Okay, in Indian system or in international system, that is only very important. To separate periods, okay, in both the systems. What is changing in both the systems? Inserting commas and the number name. The value will be same for the given number, but inserting commas and what we will call that number in Indian system, international system, that is only the difference. If you understand how to insert comma, then whole job is done. Okay, number name will be definitely remembered by you. So in Indian system I am representing this number. Okay, so I don't know the number, how many periods are there, I don't know, how many digits are only there, I know. Okay, so let us write this number. Just a minute. Four 736804109. This is the given number. In Indian system, what I said, first 3 periods, after first 3 periods starting from right to left, we have to put one comma, no? So I have put one comma after 1. Okay, again after 2 digits we have to put one comma. After 2 digits you have to put one comma. Okay, so this is thousands, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, completed. Thousands, 10,000s, completed. Okay, lakhs, 10 lakhs, completed. Up to here, first 3 digits we have to put one comma, completed. What is the second step? After 2 digits we have to put one comma. Third step, after 2 digits we have to put one comma. But here, Okay, so these 3 digits are in crores. Okay, crores and ones. This crores period and this is ones period, no? This 109 number is in ones period. Okay, this 04, this is in let me write it very clearly for you. 4736804109. Okay, what you have to remember is first 3 digits means ones period will have how many numbers? 3 numbers or 3 places. Ones period, ones, tens, hundreds. So you should not separate them. You have to put comma after 3 digits. That's why I am saying after first 3 digits you have to put one comma from right to left. Okay, you have to come from right to left. So in this, how many periods are there? So in this period, in thousands period, how many places you will have? 2 only, no? So after 2 digits you have to put one comma. So in lakhs also you will have, in lakhs period also you will have two places only. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. So after 2 I am putting one comma after 2 digits. 8, 6, after that I am putting one comma. So in crore period, how many you will have? If you have only this 3, also you have to keep like this only. If one more digit is added also, you should not touch this. It has maximum of 3 digits. If it is having 1 digit also, you should not change. If it is having, so here I am having 2 digits, no, I will put one comma here, no, because this is crores period, it will have 3 places in that. Okay, what is that? This is 1 crore, 1 crore, 10 crore, this is 100 crore, no? So we are not separating these 3 digits, no, because this is ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, as we are not separating this period because this period is having ones, tens, hundreds, 3 places. So crores will also have 3 places. You should remember that. Thousands and lakhs, thousands and lakhs both will have only 2 periods. So if you know which period is having how many places, you will be able to understand. Don't separate, because in ones, this is ones period. Okay, ones period, it will have 3 places. You should not separate. Okay, you should not separate them. Here thousands is having 2 periods. That's why after 3 digits only we are putting one comma. We are not separating like this. Okay, after 09 we are not keeping comma. Okay, because they are having 3 places in ones period. That's why we are putting after 3 digits. Here in thousands period we are having 2 places, no, thousands, 10,000s. That's why after them only we are putting. That's why we are keeping comma after 2 digits. Okay, so in lakhs also we have lakhs, 10 lakhs. That's why after 2 digits only we are putting one comma. But coming to crores, they will have 3 places. Crores period will have 3 places. What is that? 1 crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. So you should not separate them like this. Okay, you have to know how many maximum numbers will be there, maximum digits will be there in a maximum places will be there in a period. Ones period will have 3 places, thousands will have 2 places, lakhs will have 2 places, crores will have 3 places. You should not separate them according to your wish. You have to follow the order. Okay, so let me erase this and let me explain you once again. 4736804109. So how I have to put after, because ones period is having 3 digits, no, after that only I am putting one comma. I am starting from right to left. So next what will come? Thousands will have 2 digits, no, 40 I am putting here. Next lakhs will have 2 digits, no, 2 places it will have, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So I am putting a comma after 2 digits. So here it is having 3 periods, no, this crores period is having 3 places, no, 1 crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. Okay, so this is crores period. So no need to separate them. So what is the number name for this? 473 crores 68 lakhs, 4,000, 109. This is the number name. What is the number name? 473 crores. This is in crores period. Next, 68 lakhs, 4,109. This is the number name and the representation in Indian system. Okay, same number, how shall I represent? I will represent in international system. He is asking in both systems, no? Here it is there. Represent in both the systems. He is asking both the systems. So in international, how we will represent by putting commas? Let us see. International, every period will have 3 digits, 3 places. So you have to put comma after every 3 digits, 3 places. Okay. So let me represent this one. 4736 804 109. Okay. Here in every period there are 3 digits. So what I am doing, after first 3 digits I am coming from right to left, I am putting 1 comma. After next 3 digits putting 1 comma. After next 3 digits putting 1 comma. Because here in every period there are 3 places. Okay. This is ones period. This is thousands period. This is millions period. And this will come under billion. Okay. Here each period is having 3 places. Okay. 3 digits. So that is very easy for you to understand. But in Indian, some are having 3 digits, some are having 2 digits in the period. So you should not confuse. Okay. This is very easy. International. After 3 digits put 1 comma, right, from starting from right to left. Okay. So let me see this. 4736804109. So I am starting from right to left. After 3 digits, after 3 digits, after 3 digits. So what is the number name? I am writing the number name. 4 billion 736 millions. Okay. 804,009. 4 billion 736 millions 804,000 109. Sorry, 109, because in this period 109 is there, no? 109. That is a number name in which in international system. Okay. So this is the representation. Don't keep S. Okay. So this is the if you keep also it's not a problem, but in your book he has not given. Okay. So this is the way of representation in Indian and international system and writing their number names. Clear? So now let us see the next example. Okay. So what is the next example? Write the number Write the number 342607 342607 1269 1269 only. Yes, in both the systems. In both the systems of numeration. Okay, Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. We have to represent this in Indian system of numeration, this number, and in international system of numeration along with their number names. So let us see in Indian. Indian system. Okay, so take that number. So it will be very easy for you, because in previous example I have clearly said how to separate the given number with commas in Indian and international. So I am saying about Indian system now. So as the ones period will have 3 digits, I am putting comma after 3 digits. I am starting from right to left. Okay, next, after ones, this is ones, tens, hundreds, no? After that you will get thousands period. Thousands period will have only 2 digits, no? So after 2 digits I am putting one comma. After 1 and 7 I am putting one comma. Next, you will, after thousands you will get lakhs. In lakhs also you will have only 2 digits, means 2 places only, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So after 0 and 6 I am putting one comma. Okay, this is ones period, this is thousands, this is lakhs, and this is crores. Obviously maximum in crores you will have 3 in crores period you will have 3 digits or 3 places. In ones period you will have 3 places. Middle 2 you will have only 2 places. Last, first and last, and ones and crores will have 3 places, and in the middle thousands and lakhs will have 2 places. That's why you have to put after 2 digits 1 comma, after 2 digits 1 comma. Okay, but you should not separate crores and ones, because they are having 3 places in the period. Okay, that one you have to keep it in your mind. Three four two 607 1269 is the number. Clear? So ones will have 3 digits. So ones period, after ones period I am putting one comma. After 2 I am putting one comma, because these are 3 digits. In ones period you will have 3 digits, no? So that's why I am putting one comma. After ones period what you will get? Thousands period, no? In thousands period you will have 2 digits, no? 2. Okay. In lakhs period you will have 2 digits only. In crores you will have maximum of 3 digits. It may be 1 or 2 or 3. Maximum you will have 3 digits up to now, till now. Okay, till your knowledge you will have only 3 digits. Okay, so you should not separate them with this one with commas or this one with commas, because ones and crores, no, this one, crores and ones, these you should not separate by keeping comma after 2 digits, because by nature they will have 3 periods, means 3 digits in them. In their periods they will have 3 digits definitely. What is that? Crores and ones will have 3 places in them, but thousands and lakhs will have 2 places. That's why we will put comma after 2 places for thousands and lakhs, but you will not separate ones and crores with commas after 2 digits. Okay, so that one you have to put in your mind. So what is the number name? Number name is 342 crore 60 lakh. Okay, just a minute. 342 crore 60 lakh 71,269. Okay, this is the number name. 342 crore 60 lakh 71,269. This is the number name in Indian system. Okay, so how to represent this one in international system? The same number. So Indian system is completed. Let us represent this in international system. Okay, so what I said, in international system every period will have 3 places, 3 digits only. So you have to put comma after every 3 digits. That is very easy for you to understand. Okay, in international system every period will have 3 places, 3 digits, but in Indian system only ones period and crores period will have 3 digits, whereas your lakhs period and thousands period will have only 2 digits, means 2 places or digits. Like that we can understand. So starting from right to left, after every 3 digits I will put one comma, 3 digit comma, 3 digits 1 comma, after 3 digits 1 comma. So what is the number name? This is ones period, this is thousands, this is millions, this one is billion. So what is the number name for this? 3 billion 426 million 71,269. Okay, so this is the number name international system. So by these two examples you should get clarity. If you don't get clarity, again see the lecture once again. Okay, it will be very easy for you. So with these two examples I have given the maximum clarity how to separate the digits in Indian system and international system using commas. Okay, and how to name the numbers also I have said it very clearly. If you don't understand, once you have to see the video again and again, okay, till you understand. So with this we have completed our examples. So in next class we will continue. Okay, so here there is a small example, small homework for you. In pink color box you are having express the number 65780322163 in Indian and international system. That is for your homework. If you can't understand, see the video how to separate the digits with commas in Indian and international system. If you still don't understand, however, I am going to say this in your next class. Okay.